I understand everything people say in English.
That's a great start. Any comprehension is the foundation.
I just can't speak when it's my turn.
Let's figure out what's blocking you from expressing yourself.
I feel like the words vanish from my mind.
Try slowing down and focusing on one thought at a time.
I rehearse sentences in my head.
Have you tried saying them aloud in a safe space?
I get nervous when someone looks at me.
Practice with someone who makes you feel comfortable.
I know the grammar rules.
Then you're already ahead. Speaking is just the next step.
I read English books easily.
Reading builds vocabulary, which helps with speaking too.
I listen to podcasts every day.
That's excellent. Mimicking their tone can help you sound natural.
I understand jokes and idioms.
Then you're absorbing the culture, which is powerful.
I want to speak fluently like others.
Fluency comes with time and consistent effort.
I feel embarrassed when I make mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Don't fear them.
I avoid speaking in public.
Start with small groups and build your confidence gradually.
I feel stuck when I try to form sentences.
Break them into smaller parts and build from there.
I know what I want to say.
Let's work on turning those thoughts into spoken words.
I freeze during conversations.
Try practicing short dialogues to build momentum.
I want to sound confident.
Confidence grows with repetition and support.
I practice in front of the mirror.
That's a great technique. Keep doing it daily.
I memorize useful phrases.
Use them in real conversations to make them stick.
I feel like I'm not improving.
Progress isn't always visible. Keep going.
I compare myself to fluent speakers.
Focus on your journey, not someone else's pace.
I hesitate before speaking.
Take a deep breath and trust your instincts.
I forget words I just learned.
Repetition and usage will help you retain them.
I want to join discussions.
Start by adding small comments and build from there.
I feel like I'm always behind.
Everyone learns differently. Your pace is valid.
I struggle with pronunciation.
Record yourself and listen. It helps you improve.
I get anxious before speaking.
Prepare a few lines in advance to ease the pressure.
I want to express my opinions.
Let's practice expressing simple thoughts first.
I feel like I'm not smart enough.
Language learning isn't about intelligence, it's about persistence.
I avoid eye contact when I speak.
Focus on the message, not the reaction.
I feel judged when I speak.
Most people admire your effort more than you think.
I want to speak without fear.
Fear fades when you speak more often.
I feel like I'm stuck in silence.
Let's break that silence with one word at a time.
I understand movie dialogues.
Try repeating them to build your speaking rhythm.
I want to sound natural.
Imitate native speakers and adjust your tone gradually.
I feel like I'm not ready.
You're more ready than you realize. Just begin.
I struggle with forming questions.
Let's practice common question patterns together.
I want to speak like I write.
Writing helps. Now let's bring that clarity to speech.
I feel like I'm too slow.
Speed comes with fluency. Focus on clarity first.
I want to talk about my day.
Start with simple sentences and expand slowly.
I feel like I'm not improving fast enough.
Improvement is happening. You just need to notice it.
I want to speak in meetings.
Prepare key phrases and rehearse them beforehand.
I feel like I'm invisible.
Your voice matters. Let's help it be heard.
I want to share my ideas.
Let's practice expressing them in short bursts.
I feel like I'm not understood.
Clarity improves with practice. Keep refining.
I want to speak without translating.
Thinking in English helps. Start with simple thoughts.
I feel like I'm always second guessing.
Trust your instincts, they're stronger than you think.
I want to speak with ease.
Ease comes with familiarity. Keep exposing yourself.
I feel like I'm stuck in my comfort zone.
Growth begins when you step just outside of it.
I want to speak with emotion.
Emotion connects people. Don't be afraid to show it.
I feel like I'm not making progress.
Every effort counts. Don't underestimate small wins.
I want to speak in interviews.
Prepare answers and rehearse them with a friend.
I feel like I'm not fluent enough.
Fluency is a journey. Celebrate each step.
I want to speak like native speakers.
Imitation is a great tool. Use it wisely.
I feel like I'm always translating.
Practice thinking in English during daily tasks.
I want to speak with confidence.
Confidence grows with every attempt. Keep trying.
I feel like I'm not good at speaking.
Skill improves with practice. Don't give up.
I want to speak without fear of mistakes.
Mistakes are stepping stones. Embrace them.
I feel like I'm not expressive.
Use gestures and tone. They add life to your words.
I want to speak in front of a crowd.
Start with small groups and build your way up.
I feel like I'm not fast enough.
Speed isn't the goal. Clarity is.
I want to speak in English daily.
Create opportunities. Talk to yourself. Record. Repeat.
I feel like I'm not understood clearly.
Focus on pronunciation and pacing. It helps a lot.
I want to speak with variety.
Learn synonyms and practice switching them.
I feel like I'm repeating myself.
That's okay. It reinforces learning.
I want to speak about my interests.
Start with topics you love. They're easier to talk about.
I feel like I'm not improving.
Improvement is happening. Track your progress weekly.
I want to speak in casual settings.
Practice with friends or in relaxed environments.
I feel like I'm not brave enough.
Bravery grows with each spoken word.
I want to speak without hesitation.
Hesitation fades with repetition and support.
I feel like I'm not fluent.
Fluency is built one sentence at a time.
I want to speak with clarity.
Clarity comes from structure. Practice sentence building.
I feel like I'm not confident.
Confidence is a skill. Train it like any other.
I want to speak in real situations.
Role-play scenarios to prepare yourself.
I feel like I'm not improving fast.
Fast isn't always better. Steady wins the race.
I want to speak with impact.
Impact comes from authenticity. Be yourself.
I feel like I'm not expressive enough.
Use stories and examples. They bring your speech to life.
I want to speak in English naturally.
Natural speech comes from regular practice.
I feel like I'm not ready to speak.
You're ready now. Start with one sentence.
I want to speak without fear.
Fear fades when you speak often.
I feel like I'm not progressing.
Progress is happening. Keep showing up.
I want to speak confidently in public.
Confidence grows with exposure. Take small steps.
I feel like I'm not good at conversations.
Conversations are skills. Practice makes them easier.
I want to speak with fluency.
Fluency is earned. Keep building it daily.
I feel like I'm not improving.
Improvement is invisible until it's undeniable.